Hi, in this video, let's talk about variables and different data types. A variable is a container that can hold data. Data can be of different types. Textual data, as in names of people, places, or phrases or sentences. Numerical data that can be integers, like whole numbers, or real numbers with decimal places. Data can be also lists of objects. Key value pairs are stored as dictionaries in Python. A set is a data type that holds a group of objects that is similar to list, but these do not have an order to its elements. For storing a yes, no, true or false value, we use Boolean variables. Apart from these, there are few more types of variables. Check the link in the description box to know these. Let's see some examples of the types we discussed so far. I have used Google Colab as my editor since it needs no installation or setup. All you need is a Google account, log into the account, and then type collab.research.google.com and open a new notebook. Check the link in the description for a quick guide to use Colab notebooks. First, let's create a string data. You can name it anything. Here, I called it string data. I can store a sentence. Let me create one more to hold a word. Now, we create a numerical data. Let's see how to use these variables. I'm using all of the data stored in these variables to make a statement. Now, if I go and change one data, the resultant statement also changes. The next type of data are sequences. We can make lists, tuple, set, or dictionary. The list can hold any kind of data like integers, float numbers, or strings. Tuples are exactly like lists, with an exception that the elements cannot be changed in a tuple. So these are used in instances when we want to create a list of items, but the items should not change. Then we have sets. Here it is again similar to list, with the exception that these elements do not have any order. We can add or remove elements, but they do not have any order, which does not allow them to be accessed individually. You can identify a tuple or a set data with the type of bracket that has been used. They are different from that used in a list. Now, to access individual items in each of the above sequences we created, we use an index to point to them. These indexes start at 0. As it was pointed out earlier, set items cannot be accessed individually. Let's look at creating dictionary data where it has a key value pair. The dictionary elements can be accessed by indexing using the key. Boolean data holds either a true or false value. In this video, we saw the basic data types of the variables. In further videos, we can see how to manipulate them and use them.